Guess who's back? Making videos for a car channel of mine on YouTube again. Haven't made videos for this channel for probably about 3 years. It's been a while. I didn't mean to stop making videos. It just kind of happened. A lot of things with the pandemic just change plans, you know, that's what happens. But I want to start making videos for this channel again. I'm going to do things a little bit differently this time though. Not going to say everything. I will say that I do have a plan to get a small, affordable project car and work on that and have fun with that. And I want to kind of document the progress with that. I do also have a couple other plans that I want to do, but you will see. For this video though, I was driving up in Skyline and I wanted to have fun. So I just did a quick little video going from the skid pad to the fire station and back. This is a section of Skyline that I really like the best because it's not a whole lot of traffic. It's really easy to get stuck behind a car on that road going really slow, but this section right here, you can kind of time it nice where you don't have much traffic. So, quick little video of me of just driving the Z4 Coupe in that part of Skyline. Hope you enjoy it.